just want it.
Hey, hi guys, welcome back to Tech Engineer. I am Shiva. So in this video we are going to discuss about diversity factor and coincidence factor. First of all, we are going to discuss about coincidence factor. Okay. So what is this? The ratio expressed as a numerical value or as a percentage value. Okay, the simultaneous maximum demand of a group of electrical appliance or the consumer within a specified period to the sum of their individual maximum demands within the same period. As the definition is what? Definition: the value is always like that and can be expressed as a percentage. So now what is coincidence of the factor? The ratio expressed as a numerical value or as a percentage. The simultaneous maximum demand of a group of electrical appliance. Okay. So the consumer within specific time period, what amount of energy has been utilized. Okay. So that is called maximum demand. Okay. So the definition is what? The value is always less than equal to 1 and can be expressed as a percentage. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about diversity factor. So what is diversity factor? Okay, the reciprocal of the coincident factor, it means it will always be greater than equal to 1. Note, in practice the most commonly used term is the diversity factor. The most commonly used term is the diversity factor, but it is used in replacement of coincident factor. It is used in replacement of the coincident factor. Third one, thus will always less than equal to 1. This will be always less than equal to 1. The term called simultaneity factor is another alternative that is sometime used. The factor Ks, that is coincident factors, okay, is applied to each group of load. For example, being supplied from a distribution or sub-distribution board. Okay, now we are going to discuss about diversity factor for an apartment block. Okay, some typical value for this case given in the next slide. Okay, so now we will discuss after the slide. Okay, it is applicable to domestic consumers without the electrical heating and supplied at 230 volt 400 volt 3 phase 4 wire system. Okay, we already told we will discuss in the next slide. So now we are going to discuss diversity factor depends upon the consumer. Okay, so number of downstream consumers diversity factor or coincident factor value. Okay, so now we have in apartment 2 to 4 consumer only. Now the diversity factor is 1. Now we have a 5 to 9 consumers. Now the diversity factor is 0.78. So now 10 to 14 consumers, the diversity factor value is 0.63. The consumer is 15 to 19, the diversity factor value is 0.53. So 20 to 24 consumer, we have the diversity factor considered as 0.49. So we have a consumer 25 to 29, the diversity factor value is 0.46. So 30 to 34 consumer, the diversity factor value is 0.44. 35 to 39 consumer, we have the diversity factor is what? 0.42. Okay. Now the consumer is 40 to 49, the diversity factor value is 0.41. 52 and more consumer, we consider as diversity factor is 0.38. Okay, so this rule for standard rule. Okay, this rule for standard rule. So when you are going to calculate apartment load, you will be used this table, because without a diversity factor we cannot find the load each floor. Okay, so please note it out, and if you have any clarification, please you ask. Okay, so thanks for watching Tech Engineer. Have a great day.